Hi everyone! I was going to do a quick unboxing today on the SakuraCo box. I love these. I've gotten them before. I definitely wanted this one since it was the autumn box. It's the Autumn Moon Festival is the theme for it. And I love getting these. These have all kinds of little treats in there. I'll pull out the stuff so everybody can see it. And I love Japanese snacks because they're not as sweet as American snacks. They just have the right amount of sweetness. Here's the cute little cookie with the rabbit for the autumn or fall moon festival. Oh, that's so cute. I love that. Here's some more little bunny stuff. Going with the autumn moon festival theme there. There's some little candies, I believe. Here's these. Here's some more candy here. Oh, not Fuji. Oh, and I love these. Dorayaki. I love these. They're real good. They're like little pancakes filled with stuff. There's some more candy here. There's some tea. More snacks. Oh, I want those. Definitely. Those are going to be good. And here is, I think this is the little cup. Hold on just a second. Yep. This was the cute little teacup I was hoping I would get. And again, it has the little rabbit and the Autumn Moon Festival theme. It's so cute. I'm definitely going to use this for my tea that come with my box. And use it for drinking the tea with the snacks here. It come with a lot of stuff too. And here's the book, of course. It goes into the theme and what everything is and what all the products are. Right here. If you haven't tried these boxes before, I definitely recommend them. I love them. It comes with a lot of stuff, as you can see. And it's usually on a theme, or it's based on, the seasons, usually summer or fall. And it has a lot of good treats in there, and they always taste good. They're very high quality. And again, I love Japanese snacks and stuff because they taste better to me. They're not packed with sugar. But, yeah, this was all in my SakuraCo box. There we go. Thank you. Bye.